Again, we're dealing with two primitive skill sets at this point. One is a visualization, the other one is using tables. Let me go through both. The visualization for the problem, going back to 119, is a rational function. The function's f of x equals 2 minus x over x minus 7. I notice an asymptote, this is going back to your 119 course, at x equals 7. I know there's an x-intercept at 2, and I know there's a y-intercept at minus 2 sevenths, so like over here somewhere. All right, again, I'm not saying it's terribly accurate. Now, doing some simple sign analysis, before I do that, I probably should do a horizontal asymptote. This is what's known as a vertical asymptote. The horizontal asymptote, looking at it, again, just reviewing what you learned in Math 119, it would be y equals, and what would that be? It looks like minus 1, all right? So I'm going to say, minus 1's over here somewhere. You might do some simple sign analysis now, and to the right of 7, you take a number like 8, plug it into the function, it turns out to be negative. So I'll do something like this over here. Again, this is a primitive skill. Now, from 2 to 7, you pick a number like 5, plug it in, it's going to be positive, looks like this over here. And then when you go below the 2, it's going to remain negative, but it's asymptotic with that line, horizontal asymptote, y equals minus 1. So I'm looking at it, and someone says, what's the question? The question has nothing to do with graphing it. It's looking at what happens when you approach 7 from the left side. Well, this is the left side of 7, and what's the graph appear to be doing? It appears to be going towards plus infinity. That's from the visual. The other thing that we're suggesting to do, though, is use a table of values. And I want to emphasize that what we're doing is we're getting close to 7, but from the left side of it, over here. Now, what's a good number to the left of 7 that's close to it? I'm going to say 6.9. To get closer, 6.99. To get closer, 6.999. Now, certainly those numbers are definitely going towards 7 to the left. Then you do your computation using your computer, and you get these numbers over here. Now, if I look at that set of numbers, 49, 499, 4,999, I'm going to say they look like they're blowing up pretty quickly, going towards plus infinity. Thank you.